I'm watching out.
I don't see animals here.
You don't see any animals here?
No.
Well, give it time. You'll probably see some. Why are you stopping again?
I can't.
Don't stop. Keep going.
You're going to.
I'm going to stay with you. Don't worry. Don't stop.
Why you got your watch?
Oh, you're such a punk.
And then always did that move.
Yep. You left your light at home.
And
Alright.
I don't need it.
All right, get to the top of this hill and then ride down it.
Alright.
I want to see you glide down this hill.
This is a fun hill.
Go ahead, go. Woo! Go, Noah, go! Look at how long those feet are off the ground. You're a master.
I'm going.
Oh.
I peed.
Huh?
I peed.
I don't know. You just heed?
Yeah.
What does heed mean? I don't know what that means. Look at those legs! That's awesome. Yep.
Oh.
Where are you, buddy?
I'm bumpy.
You're bumpy? Where are you riding?
In the mud.
In the mud.
It's a hole. There's a
Oh, it's a little ramp. Can you do it? Jump it. Oh, nice. That's funny.
How I pass those rocks.
I think you're going to have to get on the trail to pass those rocks.
Then I can get back in the mud.
Maybe.
Whoa. Okay, wow.
Yeah. All right, push. See how long you can keep your feet up. Look at you. All right. You want to turn around and go the other way?
Yeah. It goes.
Hold on. Okay.
What?
All right, turn around. Slow. There you go. Let me take you this time. Down. hill.
Yeah.
Oh.
Big round hill.
Big round hill.
Yeah. That's really cute.
Turn around. Okay, hold on.